last, our own lesson on times tables. I've been so looking forward to share this with you, and I've prepared a short lesson to help you with the work that I've assigned for today about adding groups. Now, there's a different way of saying adding groups, and it's called times tables. You know, I always say, if we start adding groups, we are just making life so much quicker and easier for ourselves when we start saying times instead of adding groups. So if you for instance think about a 94.7 raise, or you think about the amount of children in the class, and you quickly have to say how many fingers do 5 boys have? Then you think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 boys, each one of them have 10 fingers. 5 times 10. Instead of saying 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. And what if it's like 100 boys? Then you've got to go 10 plus 10 plus 10. And before you know it, you're in Cape Town. So we're not going to do that. We are smart. We are taking the word groups of out, and we are putting in times. And that's what's going to make things so much fun and so much easier for us to do. Right, so here we go. I have drawn 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of dots. Okay, so if you have to tell me how many groups of dots do you see? There, that's right, that's 4. 4 of them. And I will write how many groups. How many groups of dots are there? 4. Okay, the next question we need to answer. How many dots in each group? Now, apart from the groups, which are 1, 2, 3, 4. We have the same amount in each group, and that is where adding groups come from. So in this group we clearly have 3. In the next group, 3. In the next group, 3. In the next group, 3. Good. So now we say, how many groups of dots are there? 4. How many in each group? So the amount of dots in each group, as we've seen, is 3. And because we've done the skip counting game and we've been counting in 3s, I'm kind of excited about groups of 3 right now. So now we are going to see how many rows we have here. Now that's a row, that's a row, there's a row, there and there. So how many rows do you see? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. And how many in each row? So there's 5 rows there. And how many in each row? 1, 2, 3. And each time you may count them, and it's going to come to 3. How many in each row? 3. Now this is something, a calculation that a farmer would have to make. How many rows of trees did he plant? How many in each row? So that's the next question always. How many groups of dots are here? 4. How many dots in each group? How many rows? How many in each row? Here's a nice thing when it comes to groups of 3. And that's our favorite shape that we use for even counting in tens. Remember when we put the dots in? But we won't do that today. Today we are concentrating on the amount of corners in each triangle, right? So how many triangles are there? We have, let's go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles. And how many, so let's write the 6 there. How many corners in each triangle, right? So the corners in each triangle, 1, 2, 3. And it's always 3. We know a triangle has 3 sides, 3 corners. So it's easy for us, this one. We'll just write 3. Very good. And now I've strung some beads together like this. And we see how many groups of beads do you see? Okay, so let's see how many groups there are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 groups here. So the answer to this top question here is 9. Okay. How many beads in each group? And you can clearly see there's 3, 3, 3, 3. And we have grouped them like that. So it's 3. Now, I've written a few times sums here. So, instead of saying 9 groups of 3, we can make a times sum. And I've got a few times sums here. I'm going to quickly put them up. And then you need to help me choose where each one of these should go. Because remember now, the first number tells us in the beginning. Later on we can even swap things around, just like with plus and minus. But we can swap the factors around later on. We've got the groups that we are counting at this stage, and then we are saying how many in each group. So 9 times 3 equals 27. Where do you see 9 groups of 3? Let's see. Did you know? Well done. Well done. I can hear all those clever boys shouting, Ma'am, it's the one at the bottom here. I saw that. Well done. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to put this sum here because 9 groups of 3 equals 27, and we can also read it as 9 times 3 equals 27. Well done, you got that right. Let's look at where this one should go. Where do we see 4 groups of 3? Okay, because this is actually what it's saying. 4 groups of 3. In other words, 4 groups with 3 in each group, and it comes to 12. 4 times 3. We're going to count just now, so you'll see I'm not lying to you. So let's look. Who's got the answer? Aha! Wait. There's always those clever ones who go before the others. But yes, you are right. Everybody knew this answer. Everybody knew this answer. Awesome. There we see the 4 groups. You see how many groups? This one has to do with the groups. And then how many in each group? How many in each group? Like there. How many groups of beads? How many in each group? And there you see the same. And yes, you guessed it right, as I thought you would. It's 4 times 3 equals 12. Well done. Now we don't have to say 3 plus 3 plus 3. Wonderful, this times tables game that we are going to learn. And there's so many cool tricks that I'm going to teach you in the next few lessons coming up. So where do we see 6 groups and 3 in each group? Well done, hey? I don't know why I'm teaching you. You guys are all so smart. There we go, right? So it's 6 times 3 equals 18. Yes, you were right. How many triangles are there? Of course, 6. So the triangles is instead of groups in the sum. Because we all know a triangle has 3 of everything. And the word tri actually comes from the word 3. So how many corners in each triangle? Okay, so let's see. Each triangle has 1, 2, 3, and the answer was 3. So there again the each triangle question. The first number always now tells us about how many groups, and the next number tells us how many in each group, and in this case it's 18. Okay, so now let's look at this one. Now I can't even ask you. You can already see which one it is. Yep, it's the one at the top. That's the only one we haven't given a sum to, so it's pretty obvious, isn't it? But well done. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many in each row? Think about the farmer planting trees in rows. Well done. 5 times 3 equals 15. Now, instead of talking about groups and rows and all of that, an easy way for you to get to the answer, if you have to count in groups, is to think, for instance, you look at the middle number. So you look here, and what do you see? What is the middle number of this sum? Yes, you're right, it's 3. Right, so now you know you are going to count in 3s. And how many times are we going to count in 3s? 5 times. So we go 5, 10, 15. 3 times. 5 rows. Okay. I was counting in 5. Sorry, guys. This has been a long day. Okay, let's go for it. We're counting in 3s. But you'll see. Good example. The factors can be turned around. So if I say 5 times 3 gives to 15. But now guess what? If I say 3 times 5, it's the same. So let's 5 times 3. 3 times 5 is 15 because it's 15, 15. And 5 times 3, let's go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Well done. 15, 15. We get it either way. I wasn't supposed to teach you that now. So you don't tell anybody. Okay. So here we go. This is the middle factor here that tells us how many in each group. So what are we going to count in for this sum? In 3s. And how many times are we going to do it? 4 times. So let's go. You can put your hand up like this. Let's count. 3, 6, 9, 12. Well done. Okay. So there we go. That was easy if you go up with your fingers like that. Good. And this sum says 6 times 3. Our number that we will count in is the middle number. I like to choose the middle number as the number that I'm counting in, and the first number as the number that tells me how many groups. But you see, it works either way. But don't tell anybody. Right, so that's just our secret for now. So here we go. Let's go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. There we go. And you see it works. Well done. And here's the next one we're going to do. I'm going to have to put my marker down to make sure that I have enough fingers to count this one. Cool. Okay, so we're going to count in threes once again. And how many times are we going to do it? Yes, 9 times. And let's go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. But Mrs. Greeff, how do you keep on getting to the right answer all the time? I'm so glad you asked, because I was about to tell you. And here we go. I'm going to show you now on this counting chart how we get to the next number. How do we get to the next number? In your mind, you have to say plus 3. But you say it quietly because nobody needs to know what you're doing. That's your secret. Okay. So instead of having to worry about counting on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see, we count on every third number. That's also one of the tricks that we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But we also know we are adding 3 each time. So 6 plus 3 is 9. You got that? 9 plus 3 is 12. Excellent. 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 plus 3. Now, I just want to show you with these bigger numbers. If you know what 5 plus 3 is, you will also know what 15 plus 3 is. Okay? So we say 15 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. 15 plus 3 is 18. Well done. Plus 3 is 21. Oh, this is too easy. 1 plus 3, 24. 4 plus 3, 27. Yes, I heard you. And 30. 33. I'm going a bit faster. 36. Remember the patterns. The patterns in our skip counting that you saw on the previous video. 42, 45, and 48. 51, 54, 57, 60. We're going to go on. 63, 66, 69. Look where you're counting. 72, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, 93, 96, 99, 102, 105, 108. And I'm going to stop there for today. Let's quickly count together. Okay, now take a deep breath. Hop up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Stretch up. Make yourself tall. Okay, make yourself small and tall. Take a deep breath. In, hold it, hold it, hold it, and slowly out. Well done. Okay, so now you're ready to count quickly. Let's go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, 93, 96, 99, 102, 105, 108. Whew, that was a mouthful. Well done. I have prepared a worksheet for you, and it's going to look like this one here. I'm going to just show it to you now, and that's going to be the one that you guys will see attached to your assignment for today. So there you will see these 2 apples, 2 apples, 2 apples. So instead of saying 2 plus 2 plus 2, 3 2's equals 6, we're just going to write at the bottom. What are we going to write? How many groups? 1, 2, 3 groups. 3 times 2 equals 6. This one I like, bananas. Okay, so that's 3, 6, 9, 12, 18. So we already know the answer. Okay, so let's go. So we're going to say?
I think you mean 15.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay, guys. Right, so it's going to be, what are we going to say? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, but no, that takes too long. So we're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. 5 times 3 equals 15. And that's how you're going to complete this work. I know you will do well. I can't wait to see your work and how smart you are with the times tables. Enjoy. Bye for now.